All right, I know I said that I was not going to be buying anything additional for this car until I started making money off of it on YouTube, but I was wrong because I found this set of wheels and tires on Facebook Marketplace for a steal. $600 for a set of four 19 by 8.5 wheels with Pirelli Soto Zero winter tires. Now, these tires probably have about one more winter left in them, but I think these wheels are going to look damn good. Now, I think I alluded to having issues with this car since I purchased it, and that all started with the wheels and tires that came on the car. One of the wheels had a tire that was damaged in shipping and had to be replaced. Driving on that tire just caused incredible vibration in the steering wheel as I was driving from the dealership to home. I legitimately thought that they had repaired one of the wheels that had broken on this car. So enter this set of wheels. I bought these for $400 with tires on them, not these tires, but I got new Bridgestone Blizzaks put on these wheels. Now, I still have some vibration at highway speeds. Even a little bit lower. I feel like these tires are a little bit knobbly, and I want to try one more set of wheels to make sure I'm not going crazy. I feel like this set of wheels and tires I just purchased are gonna, one, look great, and two, be exactly what I need to enjoy driving this car. You guys know, if there's something wrong with your car, it just lives in your head until you get it fixed. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm gonna put these wheels and tires on here, and then we are gonna go for a test drive. I'd like to get some coffee for my wife. I also just got the windshield replaced on our Ford Ranger, so I need to get new windshield wipers for the Ranger. So I'm gonna take care of that now. So there are two things that I need to make these new wheels and tires work on this car. One of them is hub rings. So I got some aluminum hub rings that will match the hub bore of the wheels to the hub bore of the car, and lug bolts. Now these are conical lug bolts. Usually aftermarket wheels come with conical lug bolts or require conical lug bolts, whereas the OEM Volkswagen wheels have ball seat lugs. That being said, I have the hub rings, I have the wheel bolts. Let's get to it. All right, there's two things that I want to check before I fully commit to installing these new wheels. One of which is the wheel bolt length. So this is a wheel bolt that I just took off here, and I want to see if the length matches the new wheel bolts, which I feel like it will. Okay, it looks like based on the end of the threads here to the end of the bolt, it's the same length. So I think I will be okay. I'm going to put that back in there. The other thing I want to check, which I can only do after I take this old wheel off, need to verify that the hub ring fits on the hub here. I've already put it in the wheel, verified that after I give it a nice little love tap, it'll sit in there. I just need to verify that it will sit on the hub and should be golden. Now this should sit in here with no play. Oh yeah, that'll fit. So now I just gotta tap it in on the back here. All right, just gotta make sure that's fully seated. Hopefully this fits. And we just put it on. Oh my gosh, this is gonna look crazy. It's a little dirty, but oh man. All right, this is gonna look so good. Let's get the other three wheels on. Oh man, I'm excited. Also, I want to point out that similar to the Blizzaks, these wheels are also directional. So you just gotta find where it says the rotation and arrow, which this one is pointing this way, and that's the way you want to go, because when you're going forward, on the right-hand side, that's the way it goes. And that's it, new winter shoes. Let's go. I think the suspension will settle after I go for a drive. But yeah, look at that. They look really good. I hope they drive as good as they look. Oh, that reminds me, one more thing. This wheel came without a valve stem cap, so I'm just gonna replace that right there. And actually, you know what? I think I should probably check the tire pressure in these, so I'm gonna do that now real quick. All right, let's go take this thing for a test drive. I'm gonna admit, I'll be really upset if it still has issues, but let's go. All right, I gotta admit, it took an embarrassingly long time for me to find my GoPro. But let's get to it. All right, already these wheels feel so much better than what I had on before. This is what a performance car should feel like. Yes, I do think the GTI is a performance car. However, I can also feel the height difference from the 19s. These are, even though they're just an inch wider in diameter, I can definitely feel like I'm sitting up higher going along the road. So you know what that means. I need to lower it. But I'm not buying any more parts for this car until I start making money off YouTube. Alright, so our first stop is gonna be AutoZone, so I can pick up some new windshield wipers for my wife for the Ranger. She's driving the Ranger right now. And then I will take the 45-minute drive into town and go put those windshield wipers on her car. Give these tires a good scrub in, I guess. Granted, they're already pretty scrubbed in, so it's just getting used to them on my car. Seeing how these feel compared to the Blizzaks that I had. Also, really need to get these windows tinted because slightly awkward just recording, talking to myself. Granted, I mean, could be talking anyway. I could be on the phone right now. Nobody knows. Although they do probably see the GoPro that's hanging out right in the middle of my roof. Ooh, I think I got some rubbing there. Some slight rubbing on the front right. Alright, gotta run in here to AutoZone real quick, and I'll be right back. Alright, windshield wipers acquired. Let's see if I can make it out of this parking lot. What is that guy doing? Look how foggy it is. That's not good. Good thing I have fog lights, baby. Alright, let's see how this goes. Alright, job done on the windshield wipers. Glad I got those done, so if my wife is driving home in the rain this evening, she can see. So, it's now noon. I am hungry, so let's go grab something to eat. Alright, y'all, we are back home. Look at this fitment. A little bit better than the 18s. These wheels look so good though. Boom. These gotta look so good, all cleaned up. And I'll tell you what, it would look a little bit better if this thing was lowered. That's all I gotta say. I wanna lower it, but we're gonna hold off for now. Maybe this winter I'll get around to it. If it snows pretty bad, I'll probably throw the Blizzaks back on here, but these are gonna be my go-to wheels for right now. There's a little bit of stretch in them with the 8.5 inch wide wheel, but I think it looks good. I'd really like to lower it. What do you guys think? Should I lower it? Should I leave it as is? Thinking lowering springs, just going for something a little mild, but I think it would really close that gap nicely. Leave a comment below. Thanks again so much. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Holla at your boy. Peace.